Hello, my name's Jenny and I'm a youth worker with the Face and Galloway Council. For the past few weeks we've been learning the very basics of British Sign Language. This week we're going to do days of the week and months of the year. Now if you haven't already, I would recommend watching our alphabet tutorial and also the finger spelling tutorial because it will just make this video a lot easier. So we're going to start with the days of the week, which is Monday, so that's the letter M and then day. So Monday. Now the sign for night is night, so make sure that you do day instead of night, so it's Monday. Then we've got T, so that's Tuesday. So the letter T, Tuesday. Then we've got Wednesday, so that's W, wedding day. So the letter W, wedding day. Then we have Thursday, which is T, H, day. So Thursday, T, H, day. Then we have Friday, which is cross fingers and you're just rubbing them together. So that's Friday. And then we have Saturday, which is hand, Saturday. So we've got Friday and Saturday. Then we have Sunday, which is Sunday. So we'll do that again. We've got Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So get practicing them, and then we'll do the months. So the months of the year, you're just finger spelling the first 3 letters. So knowing the alphabet is really important, so watch the alphabet video and then get practicing this. So the month of the year, January is just J-A-N. So J-A-N, January. Then we have February, so F-E-B. So the first 3 letters of the alphabet, F-E-B. Then we have March, which is M-A-I. So M-A-I. Then we have April, which is A-P-I. So A-P-I. Then we have May, M-A-Y. So M-A-Y. Then we have June, which is J-U-N. Now an easy way to remember the vowels is A-E-I-O-U. So that's A-E-I-O-U. So June is J-U-N. July is J-U-L. So that's J-U-L. August is A-U-G. So that's A-U-G. September, S-E-P-T. So that's S-E-P-T. October is O-C-T. So O-C-T. November is N-O-V. So that's N, closed N, O-V. Then we have December, which is D-E-C. So that's D-E-C. So there we've got the days of the week and the month of the year. So get practicing and we'll see you next week. Bye.